We are Indonesian National Traffic Police. When many people prepare to start the day, we are ready to protect their safety in the streets. For those who value their times, we serve tireless. Those who break the rules, we are firm. Those who unaware, we protected. Their lives on the street is our responsibility. In every city we are exist. In every island in Indonesia, we're ready to serve with all of our heart. Dealing with diverse citizens is a challenge of our ministry spirit. Seeing the massive development of technology, we innovate. We are united in modernization for the sake of quality service. Our mission is clear: for citizens secure, welfare, and orderly. We work as a professional, modern, and trusted. We are Indonesian National Traffic Police, honoring the safety for humanity.